In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clockify Time Tracker. Clockify is a simple, reliable way to record how you spend your work time so you can stay organized and understand where your hours go. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open the time tracker, create a clear time entry, choose the right project and task, and start and stop the timer with confidence. First, head over to clockify.me and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll see a sidebar on the left with different sections. We're going straight to the time tracker because that's where you'll actually record time as you work. Click time tracker in the left sidebar. This brings up the main tracking screen. Front and center, you'll find an input field where you describe what you're working on, options to select a project and a task, and the start and stop controls. Think of this screen as your digital stopwatch with context. Next, create a time entry by typing a short, clear description of your work in the input field. For example, you could write editing YouTube video, aim for enough detail that future you understands what this entry means without guessing. Consistent phrasing helps a lot when you look back at reports, so stick to a format that makes sense for your workflow. Now choose a project and, if it fits your setup, a task. The project usually represents a client, team, or initiative, and it keeps related time entries grouped together. Selecting a task is optional but recommended. Tasks add a second layer of clarity, like separating writing from review within the same project. The more precise your selections, the easier it is to analyze your time later. When your description, project, and task are set, click the Start button. You'll see the timer begin counting up, confirming that Clockify is tracking your work. Leave this running while you focus on the task at hand. It can stay active in a browser tab while you switch between apps, so you don't need to keep the page in the foreground. When you finish or need to wrap up, click the Stop button. Clockify automatically saves your time entry with the description, project, and task you chose. That means your work is recorded and ready for reporting without any extra steps. A quick habit to build is pausing for a second before you stop to make sure the description still accurately reflects what you did. And that's it. You've signed in, opened the time tracker, created a clear entry, selected the right project and task, started the timer, and stopped it to save your work. Keep your descriptions consistent, choose projects thoughtfully, and you'll get clean, useful time data every day.